Diseases of citrus. Citrus SPP. Gummosis. Causal organism. Phytophthora citrophthora, Phytophthora palmivora. Symptoms. Water soak large patches on the basal portions of the stem, near the ground level. Bark split open and through which a gum-like ooze exudates. The disease may spread in both directions in the stem. When the disease advances further, the gumming symptom may be seen on the higher branches. The bark turns black and deep cracks are formed in the bark and in the stem cortex. Slowly the plant wither up. Disease cycle. Fungi are soil dwellers. They attack basal portion of the stem and become established inside the bark, the move to the cambium. Primary source, oospores surviving in the soil. Secondary spread, sporangia and zoospores. By irrigation, rainwater or implements. Disease cycle of Phytophthora root and crown rots. Favorable condition. Presence of water facilitates easy infection. Humid weather with optimum temp, 250 to 300 is more favorable for infection. Citrus gummosis caused by Phytophthora citrophthora. Primary infection by chlamydospores or zoospores. Symptom development, gummosis. Secondary infection by zoospores, carried by water. Fungus survives as chlamydospores, mycelium or oospores in soil and plant parts. Management. Use of disease-free planting material with high budding. 25 cm HT from soil. Use of resistant rootstock such as trifoliate orange, rangpur, lime. Scraping off of the infected portion of bark and applying Bordeaux paste, copper sulfate 1, lime 2, water 16 to 20 gallon, at a height of 70 cm above the ground level, treating seedling roots with hot water at 350 C for 6 to 10 minutes. Prevent moist soil and irrigation water coming in contact with the trunk. Avoid excessive irrigation. Following double ring method of irrigation by providing an inner ring about 45 cm around the tree trunk to prevent direct moistening of trunk. Provide adequate drainage facilities in the orchard. Soil drenching around base of the trunk with 1% BM control the disease. Foliar spray and soil drenching with 0.2% metolixyl mesobium at 1% or phocetal al before the onset of monsoon. Soil application of FYM enriched with trichoderma SPP at 2 kg plant.